I bought another funded because I was like, yeah, gold is still gonna move while I'm waiting for payout. Let me at least, if I can do it, be able to capitalize on these gold moves while they're still happening. Like, bro, none of this can be happening without me, bro. Honestly, do you know what I'm saying? So what did I do? I bought another funded, and I took 2 trades yesterday that both hit stop loss and put me down 5%. Because I can't lie, I was risking. I wanted to pass it off like one trade. Would I do it again? Yes. And I'll show you what those 2 trades were. Okay, so the first one, all the time frames are crushed out. We come off this fair value up here. I think this is a 4-hourly one. And we bounced off this EMA at the top on the 15. We had the engulfing candle there. So I entered. And I put my stops. Boom. Let me take off this magnet. I put my stops there. And we got taken out. We got taken out there. We got taken out. We got taken out. We got all the people that bought on this wick here because you lot would be still good right now. Do you know what I'm saying? So that was the first position. And then obviously we had another engulfing candle. And where do we have that engulfing candle? I think it was this one, if I'm not mistaken. And this is the second engulfing that we had here. I think this is also a half an hour engulfing if I'm not mistaken. But yeah. And then I put my stops below this low. And we came and got wicked out. So those are the 2 positions. Now, after that, I think I kind of moved to half an hour chart. 30-minute chart is where I got my entry that I'm in now, / entries that I have now. Cool. So, boom. We bounced off this EMA right there. Obviously, there's fair value up here. EMA, we bounced off it, and this candle just engulfed. So when that happened last night, because I hit daily drawdown today, I had to wait till 11. When that happened, bro, trust me, I was in there like swimming wear. Yeah, trust me. Then cool, we carry on going up. We go up. I go sleep in it. Like I just leave this trading overnight. I wake up a bit later. So we'd already dipped down back into drawdown, come back out, and then cool. Now we're here. Boom. Guys, it's looking like we're going to get another engulfing. I will enter again. I will enter again and just let us ride. Pause. But cool. So cool, when we wake up now, this has happened. And because we already move up, I was already deep in profit, which I will go to MT5 now and show you. Because I was already deep in profit, I was like, boom, you know what, yeah, let me just enter again. So I entered another position like around up here. And then I wasn't looking, see the group chat going, we see we're dropping a bit, we come back to the original entry of this engulfing, so I entered again there. So I've got a couple positions riding / running right now. And as you can see, on half an hour, and we're bouncing off this EMA again. We're bouncing off this EMA again with an engulfing, guys. I would be silly not to enter. I would be silly not to enter. So what I might do now, when this candle closes, I'm gonna enter another position. I'm gonna enter another position there when this candle closes. My TP is literally 2-4. Obviously, these lines here are the whole numbers that we should be targeting, and I feel like we're gonna touch. But my TP is 2353. That's my TP right now. And let's go into MT5 and check out what's going on.
Incoming mail.
There we go. So, right, lads, this is us right now. As you can see, oh, we're up a decent amount. We are up a decent amount, lads. We're doing well. We are doing well. And let's make it 42975. Let's make it 42975 for all of them. And I'll probably just hold. We'll see. So we'll let this hourly candle play out. Probably going to get a bit more drawdown on this 0.5 that I just entered. But that's still good. It's still good. We'll be back with any updates. I've just had an excellent idea. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to close most of these positions that have got me to take profit. And because we're right around entry for the second position, I'm going to do that and enter again with bigger lot sizes. So as you can see, I'm going to close out all these ones except from the 0.005 or 0.05. Cool. So obviously our balance now is above 10k, back above break even, and I'm gonna add on another position. So this 0.5 is risking. I'm gonna risk 2% on this. Get to our 1 to 2. So okay, I'm gonna add a 0.5 1. Okay, we're at the 0.1 for now. And if we start moving alright, or we get a better entry, we'll add on more. Calm. Set stop loss. Boom. Yeah, risking 2.7% on this one. So yeah, we'll aim for a 1 to 3 on this trade here. And let's see if we can pass our phase 1 or get closer to passing. Lads. Sometimes I just have to laugh out loud. I just have to lol sometimes. Hold on. Why is that there? Boom. I just have to lol. So let me tell you what happened. Let me tell you what happened. So obviously I went out, I went gym, etc. etc. Yeah? Now that we're here, look what we've done. We've just gone and passed. Quickly like that. Bro, gold, me and gold, the way we're getting on. So look at this. Obviously we started with our losses, yeah, down 5%. Bro, next day we pull it back. What is that? See? Bro, I'm not even going crazy on my funded right now. I said I'm waiting because I've got a step-by-step plan. I'm not gonna ruin no payout. Do you know what I'm saying? For some short-term, temporary little something. I'm gonna pass another funded. On that funded, when I pass it, yeah, trust me, I'm gonna run up the racks. Trust me. But yeah, so we went and passed this other funded again. I added another position. Obviously you can see when it came down here, because there's a 30-minute engulfing right here, as you can see. I was showing trading for this, so it's easier to see. So as you can see, what I did, first position, well, we were in from last night, and then we loaded back up again in the morning, and we came back down to this line right here, so we can take that away. Cool. Then, as you can see, we had the hourly fair value gap that we were coming off. First of all, we had a 15-minute engulfing. Yeah. So let me just show you, man, that quickly. So yeah, we had this 15-minute engulfing, and then when this closed at 30, so I entered at the start of that, and then we had a 30-minute engulfing, and I entered again when this 30-minute engulfed, and then we just took it up, and my TP was passing. So those added positions stacked up, passed us quickly. So yeah, that's it for now. Past phase 1 again in 2 trading days. I knew this was gonna happen, so I bought another account because I knew I'd do this. Like, I really do this with gold. I promise. Yeah. So now gonna log in. We're gonna get my second phase, and bro, next time we get a retracement, boom, I'm gonna be in there again on the next entry signal. It's as simple as that, guys. It's as simple as that. I love this game. Trust me, this year, this fourth quarter, we're really gonna start seeing stuff. This generation of runs on gold is really gonna take us to new heights. Higher. Yeah. But yeah, that's it for now. That's it for this vid.